Alright, yo, what is up guys? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're going to be going over a full breakdown of the easiest ICT silver bullet strategy that we took inside of the live signals room on Monday. Okay, so first things first, going into the morning, you want to mark out your buy side and sell side liquidity levels before 8:30 a.m. New York time. So as you can see, I'd mark out this level here, which would act as my buy side level, and this sell side level here. Okay, and bear in mind, this is all before 8:30 New York time, so I do this every single morning. I log on, I mark out my obvious swing highs, my obvious swing lows, which is your buy side and sell side liquidity levels. So once you have done that, you're gonna hop into a lower time frame and just wait for one of these to get swept. Let's see which level gets swept first. As you can see, my side's been swept here. I'm going to replay it back a little bit and hop down into a lower time frame. So once we actually swept these equal highs here and this buy side level on a higher time frame, I was anticipating a bearish displacement towards the downside, and I was looking to enter off of this fair value gap right here. Okay, but in this case, my first take profit would be at this sell side liquidity level here, and my entry would be off this value gap. I'm going to put your stop above this swing high here, so you're only risking around 20 handles, and first TP there 33, and yeah, second TP is around 60 handles. So let's wait and see if we get filled on this trade. Okay, so there we go, we have been filled on this trade. So most of you that are inside of this trade right now probably, quite scared and thinking we might get stopped out on this one because it is getting quite close to your stop loss, but you do got to believe in the strategy, okay? If it's swept buy side, it's created this bullish fair value gap here, right? So most ICT traders, they're long in this, okay? They see a bullish fair value gap, they're going long, right? So once it's swept buy side and done a displacement candle like this, everyone thinks it's going higher, everyone's going long. So once we displace and we inverse this candle here, I'm very confident that we're going to head lower, okay? Because it would be very unlikely that we displace, we inverse this, and then we reverse again and go to the high. It would be very, very unlikely. So on this trade, I actually risked my full position size, which is around 1% on all of my accounts. So obviously I do have quite a large funding with prop firms, so 1% across all accounts is quite a lot of money. Usually I don't trade all of them at the same time. I'll just trade a particular account or series of accounts, but not all of them at the same time, if that makes sense. But on this trade, I went short on the majority of my accounts. Anyways, price has come up, so let's see if we get stopped out. As you see, we don't get stopped out. All right, that right there would be first TP hit, and I would set my stops to break even. Okay, and as you can see, we don't get stopped out for break even. Final TP gets hit. So this was actually around 60 points secured on the day, and we actually called this inside of the live signals room. All right, so as you can see, the date here, 22nd of April, Monday, I send in a message saying waiting patiently here, not liking longs when we get this bullish fair value gap. As soon as we get displacement, I send in the short alert. You get your entry, stop loss, TP1 and final TP. Also give out live commentary when I'm inside of the trade, so I tell you to move your stops, reduce the risk. TP1 gets smashed, we move our stops to break even automatically, so now it becomes a risk-free trade. I was around 29 points secured, plus stops again, and then final TP gets smashed, 60 points secured on the day. And we've done it once again, guys. We literally have been taking straight dubs for the past 3 weeks inside the live signals room. I don't remember the last time we took a loss. Just to make things clear, guys, I'm not saying if you join, we're not going to take losses. Anyone who says they don't take losses or tries to sell you a dream on 100% win rate strategy, please run away from them very far, okay? Because that is not the reality of trading. You will take losses. But yeah, I just wanted to show you this for transparency reasons for the people that are actually not inside the live signals room. But hey guys, if you're not already inside, make sure to click that link, secure your spot down below. Prices are only $30 a month right now. And we also have a lifetime access subscription for a one-time payment of $250. These prices will be going up very, very soon. The amount of value I'm giving out in this group, the amount of winning trades that we've had lately is actually disgusting. So it's kind of hurting me. I'm only charging $30 a month for this. This should literally be like $150 a month subscription, because the amount of money that the members are making is insane. Whether they paid for the month or if someone has bought a lifetime, they've made that back within their first week, guaranteed. But yeah, anyways, if you are interested and want to take your trading to the next level, make sure to click that link in the description and secure your spot for only $30 today. I just wanted to add as well, if you do decide to take these trades on your own, the silver bullet, make sure to mark out your 950 to 1010 macro, okay? So this is usually when the trade will occur. You usually get your entry within this 20-minute time window. Get your notepad out and write this down, guys. You want to mark out your buy side and sell side liquidity levels on a 15-minute time frame. Once one of these levels gets swept, you want to hop down into your lower time frame, wait for a displacement in the opposing direction within this 950 to 1010 macro. Once you get that, you usually get an entry off a fair value gap or order block or breaker, any type of PD array, preferably a fair value gap as it's the most highest probable PD array. Once you get that, you're going to enter a stop above a swing high or swing low, depending on what direction you're trading, and target the opposing liquidity. Okay, so hopefully that makes sense. You don't want to hold your trade past 11 a.m. New York time. The macro is usually from 10 to 11, and your entry would be from 950 to 1010. So hopefully that makes sense, guys. That will be it for today's video. Please leave a comment down below and let me know what type of videos you want to see next. I am slowly running out of ideas, so please leave a comment. I do read your guys' comments. Make sure to like, subscribe, share, and I will see you in the next one.